Meaning of ineffective.
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 Ineffective. The term ineffective means not producing the intended or desired result. When something is ineffective, it fails to achieve its goals or objectives. For example, an ineffective medicine would fail to cure the illness it was designed to treat. Inefficiency can stem from a variety of causes such as poor planning, inadequate resources, lack of expertise, or flawed execution. Ineffective outcomes can lead to frustration and disappointment, especially when the stakes are high. Therefore, it is important to identify and address factors that cause inefficiency to improve performance.